Today, we talk about...
All right, today's the day. It's been decided. But first, beautiful day on the Hudson. And there's Central Park.
Yes, Lord!
All right, no time for Central Park today. I'm gonna go to Bryant Park instead, but today's kind of a special occasion. Big shout out again to IKEA for still being disgusting with their customer service and servicing of my shelving order. But not gonna let them ruin my day today, because today we bust out something a little special. All right, here they is. Ooh. Whoa, it's a lot of light. Damn, all right, how are we gonna do this? So, I think I'll split this up into two parts, because one part of it is obviously the actual history behind the shoe and its design and everything else, which definitely was a factor in inspiring me to get them. But today is more about just undressing these puppies. And the reason for that being, first of all, it's OVO AF. Second of all, I'm done with my boards now, so it's time to start a new chapter in life. Would have done this last night, but I was just so beat, bro. So, that's one thing. Secondly, this was the first ever, like, hyped sneaker I ever bought. I remember going to Flight Club, and I sat, I mean, look, they're still pristine, boy. I remember walking in there. Well, I mean, to backtrack, first of all, I remember back when I wasn't still into sneakers. I've only been into sneakers since 2016. I've been into shoes forever, but sneakers I wasn't super into until 2016. And prior to that, I remember seeing an image of this. It was actually this image. And in this image, I just remember stopping, scrolling my feed, just being like, bruh, it was insane. It was very much a damn son, where'd you find this moment. And I was just blown away. And then I looked into it, realized it was dumb expensive. I was like, nope, we out. And never thought about them again. And then I remember the triple black Adidas Yeezy 750s surfaced, an image surfaced of those. And I remember the same exact reaction. I was just like, damn, son, where did you find this? And then that slowly got me starting to trickle back into sneakers. I didn't know Kanye had left, Nike for Adidas. I didn't know anything, really. I just knew that this shoe had blown me away just by its look. And so had those triple black 750s, and that had never happened to me before, where I was just like blown away by looking at a shoe. Granted, a lot of it probably has to do with the artist rendering filters and photography skills, of course, but just saying, it is what it is. And so, long story short, some time passes, I'm getting ready to buy an investment apartment property complex, thingamajigger. And, the deal fell through, it just didn't happen. And then now I had all this down payment cash. And I was just like, what the fuck do I do now? And I remember my realtor, banking, financier / whatever, just reaching out to me and be like, hey man, maybe this is for the best. Maybe something better will come out of this. And I guess he must have meant fucking Red Octobers, because I ended up finding myself at Flight Club for the first time. I came down to this lovely city back in 2016. I just remember, going to Flight Club, just being blown away about all the selection, and then just running right for these and asking the girl if I could try them on. So she only brings me one of the two shoes to try on, because otherwise people are going to run out the door with these expensive kicks. And of course, then I was just like, all right, well, let me try the other one on just to make sure. If I'm going to be dropping this much bread on a shoe, I better make sure both pairs freaking fit. So I asked her to bring me back the other shoe, and she leaves. She comes back. She takes this, brings back the other side. And then I sit around like a dumbass waiting for her to bring this back out. I was just like, why didn't she bring both out? And then she was like, nah, bro, we only bring you one at a time, you fucking asshole. I was like, all right, well, fuck me then for sitting here for 15 minutes like a dick. And after that, I sat there for another half hour just holding this. I literally sat in
Flight Club for a half hour, just holding this, just trying to make sure I still had my sanity. And why the hell was I about to drop this much money on a $245 pair of shoes that probably cost extremely less to make in the first place? But I finally did. I finally pulled the trigger, and I've had them ever since. I told myself I would hold on to them until a special occasion, you know, and I guess that day is today. So without further ado, let's get these on our feet, bruh. Oh yeah. Peep them deets, bruh. I believe it says Yeezy in hieroglyphics. We'll never know, because Yeezy never tells us fucking shit. All right, time for the what are those? Bruh. Them gold lace tips. Lace locks. Whatever, who cares? It's just my absolute all-time favorite shoe of the show. Take some steps in these pups. All right, let's head out. Let's get it. All right, we got the creek zone. Let's grab the jacket. Ball is life. Not today, though. Damn, son. This haircut. Finally got the unibrow taken care of. Now I got a little more Johnny Depp than Mario going on, but whatever. Had to bust out my boy, Taxi Boy, Travis Bickle, for this shit. I don't know, just felt right.
Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention. Comfort Boy. These are legit. If I had to give a ratio score of like hype to comfort level, these are just so on the upper end of the scoring scale that I just don't know what to say. All three colorways, the Pure Platinums, the Solar Reds, and then these Red Octobers. Just legit.
Every Air Yeezy 2, every Nike Air Yeezy 2 is insanely comfy. It's just out of this world. Moment of truth. This is really happening.
Bruh, it's over. Und-DS'd, the DS status. Nah, we out. But feels good.
We made it. Bryant Park, baby. I always wanted to try this place. I've been seeing them all over this city.
Yo. That's the one. Yo, anyone else love this word? Speculoos.
Oh, wow. Speak of the devil.
Bruh, look how pretty this park is, though. Bruh. Damn. Alright. That was delicious, but yeah, not what I was expecting. I thought I was going to be just chilling on a bench, enjoying myself, but that required my complete attention. So that's all done. But this remains.
Damn, son, where'd you find this? More importantly,
Bruh. Still unreal, bro. Like, I really can't believe I have these on feet. And you know, funny enough, when I first bought these, so these are like my dream. I mean, they still are my dream sneaker. But like, it's just so funny how like these are also my first sneaker purchase. I just went all out because that's just what I do. 0 to 100 right quick. Bop, bop. And I haven't looked back since. So here we are 2 years later in that entire shoe room. That's what it do. Yeah, I remember thinking about like, oh, when am I gonna unds these? What's that first occasion gonna be? How am I gonna make it special? How's the video I'm gonna make it all special? I had like so many different ideas for like special effects and animations and cutaways and edits and B-roll and all this shit. And montages and slow-mos and all that shit. And it just never happened. But life ain't perfect. I'm starting to get okay with that. And just, it is what it is, man. Anticlimactic, just me alone in the park, enjoying myself on a beautiful weekday. Post-boards, new chapter in life. The other possibility I was always considering to bust these out was courtside at a Lakers game. Or in this case, it's probably going to be courtside at a MSG when the Lakers visit. That's the only other opportunity I could think of that would warrant these being brought out. But come on, man. October, OVO, post boards. This is what it is. So yeah, very anticlimactic, but hey, now they're on DS, so I can wear them whenever the fuck I want, which is what I was excited for. So, hey. Now I just get to enjoy this and walk around the park. Look at this. Couldn't have picked better weather, neither. I mean, they're already setting up an ice rink out here. This is legit like the perfect, brisk fall day. I just couldn't pick a better day to do this. It was this type of day, literally a decade ago, that made me fall in love with this city. So, and now we're here with the dream shoes, the dream job, the dream situation, and life is good. So, thanks for joining. We'll see you next time. Bye.